In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can enable closed captions for your own Reels. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone. So this is available only on phone. And let me show you how you can enable closed captions for all the Reels that you have posted or when you're about to post it. Let's go.
First of all, open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to first start with how to manage your closed captions for your new Reels. How you enable it for your new Reels. Click on the plus icon at the bottom, the middle one, click on it. Then you can see here, click on Reels. For example, I want to use this video. Okay. And then I click next. Let's click next. Then at the bottom here, you can scroll down. You can see here more options. Click on it. Then you can see here accessibility and translation. You can enable closed captions. You can turn off or turn on. Okay. And you can turn on this translated closed caption as well so that you can automatically translate it to the viewer's selected language. Okay. So this is how you can turn on closed captions for your new Reels. How about the Reels that you already posted? Okay, let me show you. Go back all the way to your Instagram. So click on your profile at the bottom right and then select the Reels that you want to edit. So for example, I have this one Reel. Then you can see at the top right, there's 3 dots. Click on it. Then you click on edit. And then you go click on more options. And there you can see enable closed caption or translated closed captions. So just turn on and turn on. Okay, so this is how you can turn it on. This is important to turn it on so that when people watch your Reels, they are able to see the closed captions. They are able to enable closed captions at their side. I have a video to show you how you can enable closed captions for the video that you watch, the Reels that you watched. If you don't enable this, they are not able to turn on the closed captions. I mean, there's a pro and cons on this, so it really depends. Highly advise to have it, especially if you are from different countries. Like I'm from Malaysia, I have a lot of comments where they can't understand how I speak, so this could be one way to put it. Ouch! But yeah, this is for everyone's benefit. So yeah, this is how you can turn on or manage closed captions for your Reels on Instagram, specifically only for your Reels, so that other people can be able to see it. So if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.